In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Lock Screen section. Then tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics and pick one of those login methods. Following that created, hit Continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and choose Confirm. Now you need to manage lock screen notifications however you want to over here, and when you finish, hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!